everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we have some exciting news for you. We have a new app in town, Picker, and we have invited the product manager of Toucan to tell us about this new launch. Are you excited? Well, I am, so let's get started and hear it from the expert. Today we have Rohit with us who will guide us through this Picker app. And are we excited? Well, yes. So let's get started. So hi Rohit.
Hey Sheen,
So how are you doing?
I'm doing really well. Thanks for asking.
And what's going on?
Nothing much, just a few innovative stuff happening across the Jungle Works. So,
Yeah, I have heard this that there's a new app alert. And what's the name of this app?
you have heard it right. The name of the app is Picker app.
Okay.
That we are calling it right now. So yeah.
Alright. So Rohit, can you tell us what is this Picker app and what are the features, functionalities, and what are the target audience for this basically?
So let me start off from here. So before jumping into what exactly a Picker app is, let me make this clear on what exactly Picker is. So Picker is a stakeholder basically that we are calling. Let's say there are different type of businesses or use cases where you need a person who can assist packing stuff and make it ready for picking up for the riders. So this is the person who basically packs stuff up. For this particular person, we are calling them as pickers. So to helping them, Picker app is a tool that basically streamlines their entire operations, and it will make them easy to it will make their job easy basically. Picker app's USP is basically that it helps pickers to sort of streamline their whole operations. And the major stakeholders or the major use cases that we are targeting here is warehouses, dark stores, supermarkets, even cloud kitchens. So whichever use case or whichever business that compels you to have pickers, we are targeting them. And this tool is really helpful to streamline your end-to-end operations.
So, what inspired this development?
So to start off with, like Jungle Works have a bunch of products which supports or which boost your business from 0 to 1. So there are a ton of existing customers that we have who are into this sort of businesses or let's say use cases. And when we talk to these customers in terms of what new problems are they facing in terms of scaling their business or in terms of growing or in terms of their existing problems, that's where we figure out that there is this small use case that we can pick up. And that's how the idea generated that while taking the user interviews, we got to know that there are a bunch of people who are facing this problem. And then later on, we have researched that what exactly is the solution for this. So we have figured out what set of problems that we have and sort of solution those problems for these users, and then started our development from there.
So, in this development process, did you, the team, did face any challenges, anything you can?
So not exactly in the development. The major challenge, of course, was to solution this whole flow because we are adding a new entity to the existing product that we have. So in Toucan, we have manager, admin, and the driver as the major stakeholders. So now we are adding Picker as another stakeholder. So and adding Picker and to the existing product and giving it as an extension and to solution this whole flow was a challenge. But development was not a major challenge because everything was in place and the development went really well.
So you have mentioned Toucan, right? And we have Yellow also. So what was the need for this, development of this new Picker app? What is different in these two apps?
That's a great question. So of course, Yellow caters a specific set of customers and Toucan caters another specific set of customers. So let's say my journey starts from Yellow, where order generation is happening. Customer is placing an order, and Yellow is being an order management platform. It manages the orders and then pushes the order to Toucan, right? So on Toucan you have drivers. Yellow has customers from where orders are coming in, and Toucan has drivers who are delivering those orders. So we are missing out on the major part in between where the orders are being packed up. So that's where pickers come in. I have a store, and there are a bunch of pickers in my store who are helping me pack those orders and getting it ready for delivery.
Yeah.
So for these specific users, we are solving their problem via picker application. So how exactly are we solving? So we are sort of showing them the order details first, and with a seamless user journey, and they'll see what all items are there in an order. They'll pick those items up and they'll pack that item. We are giving a functionality to sort of print the bill, right? And then after packing, they can paste that bill up on the parcel and then make it ready for picking up for my drivers. So this is how we are solving through Picker app.
So what are the future plans for this, Picker app?
So we have launched the basic application lately with all the basic functionalities of what a picker needs to do, and we have further phases of developments planned. In the upcoming phase, we are integrating a Bluetooth printer, which helps to sort of print the order details. And in the further phases, we are integrating with warehouse management or the other inventory management tools that we have in the market, so that your order comes and all the order details are directly synced with the application. And in the current application, we are directly syncing them. We are doing a real-time sync between all of our platforms like Yellow, Toucan, and the Picker application. So these are few things that we have planned in the upcoming future,
Yeah.
and there are a ton of other things that we are planning moving forward. So yeah.
Okay. So Rohit, what part of the Picker app development are you most proud of?
So actually, I'm proud of this particular development because, like I said before, we have faced few challenges in terms of solutioning this whole flow. But surprisingly, the development part of it, we have finished this particular app's development in a span of 7 days.
Wow,
So
that's
kudos to
impressive.
the development
Yeah.
team worked on this.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that's a sort of big achievement for us, and looking forward to solve many more problems in a swift manner like we did for this one.
I think that sums it up. So thank you so much, Rohit, for doing this. And guys, I hope that this was really helpful for you. And stay tuned for the new updates. And see you soon. Bye-bye.